What is up, my fellow affiliate marketers? This is Matt Smith, aka Snapchat Matt, aka Super Marketing Bro, and I just want to share with you the creatives that are working for me in 2025 and just give a deep dive into the creatives and give some feedback on them. Okay, let's get into it. So, I am promoting an offer called Dumb Money, and it's a make money online from Digistore offer.
Let me show you something a little bit embarrassing. You see this? Right now, I have $0 in my bank account. However, in the next
Pretty standard. It is a make money online offer and it's targeting 65 plus people. So when I'm doing this, I'm going to watch the VSL and then I'm going to think about the greeds and the fears of people that are 65 plus. So the greed is they want to make money online. Their fear is I don't have any tech skills, so how am I ever going to make money online? So let's go into the videos and I can just show you, break it down then how I go into this. So this one is called the Challenge Mac Creative.
How did you retire from Wendy's by using that dumb money thing? Oh, I love this question. Yeah.
So I start off replying to the Gay for Pay 69's comment of how did you retire from Wendy's using that dumb money thing? And that's pretty easy to do. If you just go to talkcomment.com, you can make like your own right here and write your own comment like a Gay for Pay 69 and then whatever you want it to say, download it and you can do it. So let's keep going in the video.
So I'm mentally retarded and I quit my job at Wendy's using dumb money. I just do these tasks they tell me and I make over $700 per day since I started using money. All you gotta do is click the link down below and they show you exactly how to do it. If I can do it and make $700 per day, then you can too. Tap below to watch the free video before they take it down.
So this video is really showing them that, look, if this mentally retarded Matt guy can make $700 per day, then I can too, being old and having no tech skills. So it's really playing into that greed and fear of somebody who wants to make money online but is old. So let's go into another creative that has been doing well, and it's a security cam footage one.
That shit actually worked. I mean, that dumb money thing actually worked.
I don't even have my GED and I got $700.
Okay, so let's break it down. Like this first is like the intro. It's like attention stopping. I made this off a security cam for my house. Go into my mailbox, pulling out money. Oh my God, it actually worked, honey. I can't believe it.
I don't even have my GED and I got $700 in the mail from that dumb money Wi-Fi loophole.
And the first part of my script is just playing into that right away. I don't even have my GED and I got $700. And then I'm going to explain actually, okay, people are like, wow, this, like they're really hooked. I got to explain it now.
It's this new course that's going viral where it teaches you how to make money by completing these easy tasks online. It's all online and it all takes a Wi-Fi connection. And like I said, I barely...
So I'm just telling them right away, hey, like I did all this and this is actually what it is. And now it's just going to go into some spiel about I barely even graduated college.
Complete all these tasks and now I get $700 in the mail every single week, all just from completing these easy tasks that this course teaches you how to do. I've tried everything, guys, and everything seems so scammy. Nothing ever worked. And finally, I found something where I can get $700 consistently in the mail from this dumb money Wi-Fi loophole. So let me show you real quick how you can access it.
So after I hook them, I explain it. I'm going to just go into more about stuff that I read a lot of times on comments of these videos. Just talking about, I've tried everything, guys, and everything seems so scammy, but this actually worked. And you can apply this to auto insurance, whatever. So like auto insurance, if you read the comments on some of the videos you're doing, people be like, yeah, I've tried it. I'm never able to drop my bill. No, I tried every site, and I finally is able to get my car insurance down to $19 per month or whatever you want to say. So then after I explain it, I'm just going to show them how to do it.
All you got to do is tap the button down below and you're taken to this free video.
So now I'm just going into the VSL and just showing them like all you got to do is tap down below. You go through the free quiz, you go through the free video, whatever you're promoting, and you're just going to show them yourself going through the funnel or watching the VSL. So that this one is like a great video that's doing well. Let's go into another one that I've been doing that's been doing well. So here's this masked intro one.
This guy just got out of the El Salvadorian prison because he exposed the dumb money loophole. I'm going to show you. It's crazy.
So this one, I'm going into the mind of somebody that's 65 plus, talking about I got out of the El Salvadorian prison because he exposed the dumb money loophole. And how I came up with this is when I was walking through my neighborhood, I have a lot of old people in my neighborhood and they're somewhat conservative and they all have Fox News. If I look in their window, I see like Fox News, like Jesse Waters or Sean Hannity, all these people, and they're all playing on like this immigrants are attacking the country and we got to deport all them. So like it's inside their mind, whatever like these old people, whatever your audience has in their mindset, just trying to play on that. So I'm talking about like they got out of the El Salvadorian prison because they exposed this dumb money loophole. And you got to watch this because it's crazy. So you can, this is just getting in the mind of them. And then I go into this masked interview.
I was the richest person in my jail because I discovered a money-making loophole so easy, even the prison guards got rich off me. It's this new hack called dumb money.
So now I'm making a script and I write out this script and I do a voice changer on 11 Labs. You can just type in your script or you can do audio recording and it changes your voice. And then I found this masked interview on YouTube and I just overlay it on that. So then I'm just using my script. I'm exposing this loophole so Americans can prosper during these times of craziness. Again, trying to get into like during these times of inflation or times of tariffs, whatever's going on in the mind of people in their background when they're watching the news or whatever they're doing. And then like they're exposing this dumb money loophole. So like this one has been doing very well for us too. And then another one is these whiteboard videos. So this is kind of me standing in front of a whiteboard.
Stop. They're trying to hide the dumb money system from you. Thousands of Americans are making an average of $700 per day using this revolutionary system called dumb money.
So this one, these 4 things on here are really just the main points of the offer. The greed, making money online. It doesn't even take any time, easy 30-second tasks. And then another fear of, I don't have any tech skills or time, but like, and so it's going into that. And then there's a free explainer video. So this is me just going through it and it's a longer one. But if you don't have the public speaking skills to do that, then you can make a short one like this.
I want to make a quick video showing y'all about the dumb money system. Yes, I'm using this to make $700 per day. I just do easy 30-second tasks. I don't need any tech skills. And there's a free video down below that explains it if you click learn more. If you don't believe me, check it out, guys. This is the dumb money system in action. I made over $3,700 so far. There's another one that comes in. Look at this. It just keeps coming in, guys, day after day, hour after hour. So tap learn more below to learn the dumb money system for yourself.
Yeah, so this one, I just put on a Southern accent. Wow, I made $700 per day doing these easy 30-second tasks, and you don't need any tech skills. And then I go into this thing that we made off ChatGPT, just showing like bank account money coming in and just really explaining it. And you can see it's under 30 seconds. It's a little bit quicker, but it's using this whiteboard, just writing the 4 main things that you want to get across in your video. So in all of these offers, it really just takes a few minutes of planning before you make your creatives. So I'm going to spend time watching the VSL or going through the funnel and really trying to go into comments, going into forums, and finding out what are the greed and fear of people that I'm trying to target. So I'm going to write my script, plan it out, and it just takes a little bit of planning, and then you're going to go and try to find different hooks. You're going to try to find stuff that is going to grab people's attention and be creative. So I'm making these because I don't share a lot of stuff, and I've taken so much from the community. I would just want to give back a little bit, and I've just want to connect with everybody. So hope this helped you develop some creative in 2025 and beyond. Let me know if you have any questions. Always here to help.